what is happening? It's cold. It's raining. It is windy. So windy your car moves on the freeway. Checking out the birds. Busy week. So it's pretty much dump the food, put water, and flock off. That's all we've been doing, but those are healthy. Just checking out these young'uns. They seem to be pretty good. Love the look of that one. Look at these two over here. Yeah, that's not too bad. Then we've got the bigger ones. These huge flies over here. You got that one up there. There's a couple of males you can definitely remove now and again. Got a visitor. Poor racing pigeon. I rang the number, but the person lives too far. Can't make it, so on my travels I might let it go and hopefully it goes back to him. I tried to shoot it the first day. The second day I gave it through the water, shoot it again. The third day I opened the door, he just flew in, he just went in. That's alright. What do you reckon? Should I use it as a swap a eggy? You know what I mean? Like pair it with something, swap the eggs. Probably be great as a feeder. Massive bird. These whites are coming amazing though. One there, one over there. And then the younger stock is ready. Bite on it. Yeah. We've got two blues. Just got to give it a feed before the rain starts because it's coming. It's really dark. The clouds are coming in this way. So probably not today, but probably tomorrow I'll move him. Out of here as well. These two still. Getting there. They're definitely staying nice and warm. That's what you want. So then I'll eventually move him as well after they start to fly about. So that young one there, that's going to be a future breeder. Cut its wings. The cheeky bugger flew. Went on the cubby house loft roof. Went on the house roof and just flew away. So what do? I open up all cages so I can try to get it back. Things flying around in circles. Cut wings. Eventually came back. Lucky. Feisty little bugger. But yeah, it is cold, it's freezing. Single digits. Another young one over there. Interesting colour. See how it turns out when it molts. Might be a little model. Don't know. Guess we'll see. See what it comes up. Not even that one. Picking off, putting that one flying, and one of these. I don't remember which one it was now. They're looking pretty similar, aren't they? That one there. That one there. That one over there. Well, that's about it. Just the slow. These saddles are coming up amazing. So happy with those. A couple of years ago, I wasn't happy with where they were heading to, but now we finally got on the right track, and that's the only reason why we got 6 that I put cut wings and Fisher breeders coming up really nice. Even this one here, beautiful. The colour on that's very nice as well. Nice lightish kind of blue. Beautiful. But yeah, still crazy how this bird makes reds. Didn't even know if I was gonna put it for breeding. Little bird, crooked beak, kind of a dirty blue. You got to try all birds out sometimes. You got to give it a go. Give it a go. It's hard to sometimes though, because sometimes there's only a certain amount of birds that you can put for breeding. There's some that I haven't tried, but I'm glad that one happened. We still haven't got, that'll be for the future. See what this one's going to make. This nice beautiful colour here as well. You can see the copper. It's got the copper colour around the neck. Wow, beautiful. I can move this male as well now. That male can go to the other side as well. Because his young one is eating on its own as well. All young ones are eating. Let's set those two.